Hello there, everyone. So, this reading is for Sagittarius. So, we're going to peek into your love and relationship, Sag. This is for Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus placements. Oops. So, I will not be reading any reversals and also uh, the cards that will pop out. So, kukuha lang ako ng cards straight from the deck. Oh. Um, yan lang. Hindi ako kumukuha ng cards na nagpa-pop out. But other readers too, actually. So, iba-iba naman ng style. Lahat ng tarot readers. This is your love reading for August 2026. But, of course, time is fluid. This is not strictly for August 2026. Whenever you find this video, this message is for you, Sagittarius. You're coming out successful. In the past, Nine of Cups, King of Wands. Could be in a really satisfying relationship. Alright. Aries. Aries also had this card, no, in this position. Nung ginawa ka-reading nila, and also the Nine of Wands. So, if you have Aries placements, you might want to watch that reading. Alright. You have a very similar cards with Aries. Page of Pentacles. The World. Eight of Cups. And the King of Cups. Alright, Aries, sorry, Sagittarius. Sagittarius kasi you have a very similar cards with Aries, no? Sag, in the past, you could have been in a relationship or in a connection that is really fulfilling. Parang yung uh, sense of being successful, no, is there. King of Wands, you had a lot of plans, no, or you could be in a relationship, a connection with someone who you find is really stable, good at planning, decisive, someone that has plans for the relationship. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, currently, you are trying to balance everything, responsibilities, uh, trying to balance out the connection, or take it how this resonates, pero uh, ang nasisense ko kasi merong imbalance naman. You're trying to balance kasi merong imbalance sa relationship, no? Something na medyo nade-drain ka na. Alright? Although Nine of Wands kasi is a card of strength. So, currently, you feel drained, yes, you feel defeated, but at the same time, I wanted you to know and to recognize your strength, Sag. Also, you got the Page of Pentacles. Someone might be offering you something, no, a relationship, a connection. Alright. And in the near future. So, ito yung future column natin. Although these are all energy. Okay, we're not trying to predict that something would uh happen, something is set in stone, of course. That's not what we're trying to do here. I just wanted you to have uh these cards. I wanted to have these cards as a tool lang to reflect on your love and relationship. And with the Eight of Wands is a card of walking away. Walking away because he's not satisfied. No. Actually, Eight of Cups is a card of not settling for less. So, Eight of Cups, ang sunod niya, of course, Nine of Cups. Once na iniwan mo, no, yung isang connection or relationship na hindi na satisfying for you, you will eventually find your satisfaction. But in this particular reading, nasa past kasi yung Nine of Cups mo. So this relationship, no, could have been once satisfying for you. No, at one point in your life, this relationship could have been satisfying. But you walked away because maybe you're drained, no? You are trying to close the cycle. With the King of Cups, you may be trying to find your emotional stability, or you could be trying to find someone that is emotionally stable. Can take it how it resonates. Now, I'm sorry. Sagittarius. Sag. Uh, I wanted to see what are the actions that you may take, no? And siguro, I wanted to ask for clarity in the situation as well. Alright. You have a very similar, all the fire signs have very similar reading. Uh, Eight of Pentacles, you could be a really hard working person. Yes, that's given. But when it comes to relationship connection, uh you could be the one putting in a lot of effort. Oh. Parang you're the one, you're someone na would really go out of their way, no, for their partners, and prove them na I can do these things for you. Mm-hmm. Right. King of Swords. Kings are decisive. And kings are stable. Just like with the King of Cups. So here in the near future, although this is all energy, sabi ko nga kanina. Again, this is also a general reading, so iba-iba kayo ng situation, no? Lahat ng Sag na nanonood ng video na to. But you could be walking away because, of course, you're tired, you're exhausted, you are not satisfied. That's why you're walking away. And you might be looking, no, for a King of Swords person. Someone that is decisive, someone that can lead the relationship. All right. Give me one more card, please. Or kasi we're also asking for aside from clarity, no, we're also asking for the actions that you can take. And the deck now gave us the King of Swords, which uh depicts being stable, no, being decisive. The card may be asking you to be decisive about your situation, whatever that is. You got the Five of Cups. Five of Cups has a simple solution. You just have to turn around and see the Two of Cups behind you. Kasi sa Five of Cups, the man here is looking at this three cups, no, na natapon, na just like with the Eight of Cups, parang at one point, uh, he finds these cups as satisfying, no? But then, natapon yung laman ng cup, no, yung wine. So, medyo disappointed siya. Alright? Medyo disappointed siya. Pero, yun nga, the simple solution is to be grateful for the cups that still have. No? Just ask yourself, no, if there are things ba na hindi mo nakikita, no? May mga bagay ka ba na dapat mong tinitingnan na you should still be grateful, no, with these things? Or this reading has a lot of cups kasi, no, a lot of emotions. So these are the actions. When we say actions, no, ito yung mga pwede mong steps, no, na nagawin or something to reflect on. Again, with the Five of Cups, just be clear. Just be grateful, no. The solution there, no, with the Five of Cups, to be grateful. Grateful with what you currently have. Now, I wanted to know the outcome. I want to know the outcome. All right. So, again, Seven of Cups. So you will have a lot of choices if you follow these actions. No? But again, just a disclaimer. No? Always use your judgment and exercise your free will, kasi no tarot reader could tell you what to do, no? Ikaw lang yung pagsabi sa sarili mo kung anong dapat mong gawin. And sabi ko nga kanina, tarot is not set in stone. So, sabi ko dito with the Two of Pentacles, parang nasa-sense ko kasi na may imbalance. So, I'm not surprised that the Six of Pentacles is here. You could have left this relationship if in the future, or if you are planning to leave a relationship, a connection behind, is because there is an imbalance. Kasi Six of Pentacles, he's giving to the other person, pero sa isa, hindi niya binibigyan. Kasi he find this guy pwedeng deceptive, no? So, may reason siya on why he's not giving pentacles with to this man. Pero, yun nga, nagbibigay siya dito sa isang guy. And he's holding a scale. No? So, again, merong imbalance dun sa relationship. No? Sa dynamics ng relationship. And you got the Ten of Pentacles. Ten of Pentacles is uh, stability pa rin, satisfaction, no? Being in a really happy relationship, being fulfilled, being in a complete uh, relationship, no? You got the Seven of Cups. You may have a lot of options in the future, and I could sense na pwede yang mag-walk away ka dito. Of course, the decision is yours. Sag, no? I wanted to know the outcome. The overall outcome, kasi these cards are actually for your outcome din. Pero the overall outcome of this reading, what does Sag need to know? So I wanted to, in every reading that I do, I wanted the watchers, no? Or the querents to gain clarity and insight. Now, the insight, of course, will be coming from you. Although, we have laid down the cards here, no, sinasabi ko yung mga message nung each card, but ultimately, ikaw yung may control over the situation, ikaw yung mas nakakaalam ng situation mo. Kaya nga sinasabi natin, lagi take it how it resonates. Now, I wanted to know the overall outcome for this reading. You got the Magician. Magician is all about alchemizing, manifestation. In the near future or the outcome of the situation, no, tinanong natin, you could be manifesting that relationship that would really satisfy you. And I wanted you to know that you are powerful, no? Just like the magician, no? Ano siyang kayang gawin? He has wisdom. He can use all the tools, no, na meron siya in order to alchemize something, to bring something into fruition. So that's the magician. Now, take it how it resonates with your situation. And Sag, I shuffled this oracle card. This is the Spirit Animal Oracle card. Or sorry, the Spirit Animal Oracle. And I shuffled this. I meditated on this earlier prior to your reading. And you got the Horse Spirit. Freedom is yours. Now, let me read your oracle message. Let me just find it real quick. Horse Spirit. Alright, Horse Spirit. Freedom is yours. The oracle message: when Horse Spirit appears, you are gifted with a spirit of movement and freedom. It is a time for travel and adventure, whether that means a trip somewhere or taking a different type of journey. One of freedom of choice. Horse Spirit reminds you that no matter the circumstances, you have free will and choices that can take you far away to a better place. a better situation, a better state of being. For there is no one but you to reign in your will to make a different decision. You are capable of making powerful choices that will affect you for a long time to come. Horses are social animals and known to be a friend to mankind, willing to carry us forward when we needed it. Horse spirit reminds you that help will be available to you whenever you need it, and companions will be by your side whenever you choose to go. Wherever you choose to go, whatever direction you choose to travel. Life is an adventure, and Horse Spirit wants you to know that whatever choices you make, you have great spirit within, invisible yet holding you up and always walking by your side. If your inquiry is about a relationship, you can set your heart free to experience love in all forms. Spirit whispers to you that the gift of freedom is yours if you allow yourself to break out of your perfectionism and stubbornness. Make a move and enjoy the freedom of letting go of the need to control. So, that is what I have for you, Sagittarius. Please like and leave a message if this reading resonates with you, or if you find any message from this reading helpful. I would really appreciate your support, no, as I am still growing my channel. So again, thank you, Sash. See you on the next reading.